Let's install a DOS shareware game, Hugo's House. We place the program disk in the proper drive. Ours is A. Now we open OS/2 System. We open the command prompts. Then we open the DOS window. At the C prompt we type A:\install. Then we press enter. We accept the default directory by pressing enter twice. Now we're finished installing, so we close the DOS window. And we answer yes to the prompt.
We need to add our program object to our desktop. Let's run Add Program again.
We close the command prompt window. In the OS/2 System window, we open System Setup. We open Add Programs. At the Add Programs box, we accept the defaults and choose OK. We see the No New Programs message. Sometimes OS/2 Warp cannot find the program we want to add. However, we can manually search and add the program. Let's try it.